Come with me to this cold, wild place. Mountains stand with a regal grace. In the frigid cold, machines are strong, breaking stones. Roads to prolong. Snow-covered peaks, a pristine sight. Heavy machinery works day and night, battling cold and rugged terrain. Building roads with might in this harsh, snowy land we roam. Nature's beauty, our heart's true home. In the winter's chill, we face the test, resilience blooms. We're at our best. This machine is breaking stones for masons. To use in constructing the outer wall of the road, it's a crucial part of the road building process, ensuring durability and strength in the road structure. This road is still under construction, making it a perilous mountainous route with slippery conditions and other hazards. Navigating this route requires caution and skilled construction teams to ensure safety and quality. Between the rugged stretches of this road, there lies a picturesque river, its waters cascading gracefully over large stones. This natural spectacle adds a captivating touch to the surroundings, where the sound of the flowing water and the glistening rocks create a truly mesmerizing scene. But as challenging as it may be, this place is undeniably stunning. The snow-draped landscapes, the tranquil forests, and the crisp, clean air create an atmosphere of natural beauty that's hard to match. The winding, sloping roads and challenging terrain of this region contribute to its undeniable natural beauty. Yet, the same roads, often referred to as death roads, also remind us of the dangers that lie in this picturesque wilderness. Let's savor a hot soup in this chilly weather with Mr. Asif at the Gezer Yassin Hotel. Asif, a dear and cherished friend of mine hailing from Yassin, has always been a source of warmth in the cold. We used to meet daily, sharing stories and laughter. If you like this vlog, give a thumbs up, be sure, subscribe and share. It's an adventure pure.